What's up, fit people? Coach Remy here. Today's workout is going to be back and biceps, and so we are on day 27, and usually after a few weeks it's always a good idea to increase the resistance a little bit. Now I have two bottles of 1.5 liters each. All right, so if you also have them available, or light dumbbells of maximum 2 kgs, you can use them. All right, so this workout will attack the back, so it will strengthen and tone our back muscles. If you're new on this channel, be sure to subscribe, and if you do enjoy this workout, share with family and friends, and you can type also a comment about the intensity, how this workout felt for you, or something you would like to see in the future on this channel. So thank you, and let's get into our follow along 10 minutes workout. So let's go side to side. Let's go. Let's make sure we are properly warmed up. So first minute we switch between after every 30 seconds. All right. Okay, stand tall. Now bring knee to elbow as high as you can. Beautiful. So now we lie on the mat. So we are going to be doing Superman. Superman, we lift the upper part and the lower part. So it's like this. Okay, let's go. Okay, beautiful. Let's stand up. Take the bottles. Now we're going into bent over row. We bend forward, legs straight, arm hanging in front of us, and then we pull. Palms are facing forward. if you have a bar, it's better, but if you don't have it, then you can also do it. Okay, now we're going into the upright row. So you stand up tall and you make sure that the palms never goes above the elbow. So we are pulling like this. Let's go. 30 seconds. As much reps without compromising the form. And make sure you're also retracting the shoulders at the top of the movement here. Rest. So now we're going again to the Superman. Lie down on the ground. Superman is very good for the lower back. Okay, let's go. Beautiful. Let's stand up, bent over rows. So guys, if you're new on this channel, be sure to leave a like if you enjoy this workout. Alright, let's go. So now the palms are facing the thighs, and here you make sure you're retracting the shoulders.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one.
Back is straight.
Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to.
Okay, beautiful. So workouts like this help you tone the body. Toning the body means making the muscle, the body tight. Alright, let's go bicep curls. Notice no movement, no swing movement. Controlling the up and down. Remember, for more stability, you have to widen the stance. The bigger the base, the more stable the upper.
Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friend.
Beautiful. So now we're going to hammer curls. Hammer curls, thumbs are facing forward. And we come up. So the back of the bottle touch the shoulders. Then we go down. Each time fully extending the arms.
Wanna change. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
So if you have kgs up to 5 kilos, it's okay to use for a workout like this.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
But heavier will be detrimental.
Help you out.
Alright, so now we're going again to the clean and press, the two last exercises. So deadlift up, overhead press. Let's go.
Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
Okay. Final exercise, let's go the upright row. Standing up tall, hands hanging here. Now we start the row. On the top of the movement, you squeeze your shoulders as if you want your scapula to move, you retract and squeeze. Okay, beautiful guys. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. Coach Remy here, bringing you each day a fun and challenging workout you can do from your home. So, see you on day number 28.